In this video, we are going to fix 0x800b0100 Windows Defender error in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to restart the Windows Defender service. How we can do that? You need to press Windows key and R key together. In that way, you'd be able to open a small window called Run. Here, please type for services.msc and click on the OK button once you are done typing. Once you have opened the services, you need to select any of the service here, and then you need to type for W so that you would be able to be navigated to the service starting with letter W. Here you need to scroll down and find for Windows Defender Firewall. So once you have find it, please make a right click on properties, and then you need to restart the service, okay? So you can also make a right click here and click on restart. Once you have restarted the Windows Defender service, you need to close the window and then you need to proceed here at the search box and type for CMD. So once you have typed the CMD, wait until you can see an option which is the command prompt system. I mean the best match rather, sorry. So we just have to go with the command prompt system, and from here you need to navigate at the right side and click on the run as administrator. So wait until you can see that before we can continue. Now from that, please click on run as administrator. And then once you have opened the command prompt, okay, you need to type for sfc space forward slash scan now. Don't worry because I'll be including this command at the YouTube description. You can simply copy it there. Click on the enter key in your keyboard and wait until it will be done, okay? So this might take some time, but please be patient. Don't close this window unless you are done and then restart your computer and check if the problem has been fixed, okay? Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for upcoming tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day.